Assalamu alaikum, मेरा नाम है Mehvish Hayat, and on this International Women's Day, let's reflect on what our Qaid said, that no nation can ever be worthy of its existence that cannot take its women along with the men. मेरे लिए फ़ख्र की बात है और ये एक privilege है that I've been born a woman. लेकिन आज भी बहुत से ममालिक में और बहुत से कल्चर्स में ख़वातीन को सेकंड क्लास सिटीज़न की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता है. इक्वालिटी मेरी नज़र में it means equal access to education, equal access to healthcare, and equal pay for the same job. We don't need to show women strong because they already are. But we need to change the way the world sees that strength. And I hope with time we will be able to achieve what we have always wanted to. Happy Women's Day.